Today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your on your body fasting app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down, click here on me down here. When you just click here on me, then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Go above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on notifications. You come to next step here. Then you just go down here, come here to when a new coaching is available here. Click in this sign. So like you see, this color show for us. That's mean here when a new coaching is available, enable with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.